Warning. Before starting the installation, make sure that there is no voltage on the connection cables. Activities related to installation, connection and adjustment should be performed by a qualified electrician who has read the operating instructions and the functions of the device. PZM-10, the flooding relay is for detecting the presence of conductive liquids, for example water, at the level of installed flood probe SZH03. The system can be used to alert about the appearance of water in places exposed to flooding. It can be used in control systems, and fluid level control. The external flood probe is galvanically separated, which ensures reliability and safety. The front panel contains LEDs. Green one indicates the power supply. The red one indicates the status of the output relay. The connection terminals are, the L terminal, for power supply, voltage phase, N terminal for connecting the neutral potential. The output terminals are, terminal 11 for connecting the input signal. Terminal 12, which is normally closed. Terminal 14, which is a normally open terminal. The in terminals are for connecting the SZH01 flooding probe. The flood probes can be connected in serial or in parallel. Serial connection of the probes causes the relay to operate when all probes are flooded at the same time. Parallel connection causes the relay to operate if any flooding probe is flooded. Check the disconnection status of the installation. Put the PZM-10 device on the TH35 rail. The spring clips will be helpful. Provide the supply voltage to the relay. Put phase wire to the L terminal. The neutral conductor put to the N terminal. Install the LKM03 power indicator. The device will signal the activation of the flood relay. we transfer the potential of the L phase to the relay input terminal marked with the number 11. Terminal 14, normally open relay output is connected to the L input of the power indicator LKM03. Put neutral wire to N terminal of the power supply. Connect the SZH01 probe to the relay in terminals. Such connected system can be powered up. After applying supply voltage, the green indicator turns on. The PZM-10 flooding relay, with a single SZH01 type probe, detects probe flood by fluids. After flooding, the relay starts immediately and then powers the automation system. In this situation, automation system is simulated by lighting LED of the LKM03 signaling device. Once SZH01 probes are parallelly connected, flooding any of probes causes the PZM-10 relay to operate. Flooding first probe. Flood detection is signalized by LED. After decreasing the liquid level, none of the probes is flooded. After flooding of the second probe, the PZM-10 relay outputs are triggered. In case of serially connected SZH01 probes, flooding all of them at the same time triggers the output relay. Flooding first probe. The relay remains switched off despite flooding. Flood the second probe. After flooding the second probe, the relay is started.